Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you some simple methods using which you can fix the slow loading of folder or file explorer. Simply open the file explorer, click on these three dots, click on options. Now click on clear from here. Now go to the view tab and click on reset folders. Click on yes to confirm. Now scroll down a bit and check mark this box. Click on apply and save the change and see if this fixes the issue or not. In the next method, open File Explorer. Copy this location from the video description. Paste it in the address bar of File Explorer and hit enter. Now delete all the files by selecting all of them. In the next method, open File Explorer, right click over the Downloads folder and go to its properties. Click on Advanced, uncheck this option, click on OK. Now go to Customize tab and here make sure the general item is selected and save the change. In the next method, search for indexing options. Now from here click on Advanced and click on Rebuild and see whether this fixes the issue or not. In the next method, search for Run and in the Run dialog box type %temp% and click on OK. From here, delete all the files. Skip the files which you can't delete. Now open the Run dialog box again and type prefetch and click on OK. Click on Continue. Select and delete all the files from here. Skip the files which you are not able to delete. The next method, search for msconfig and click on System Configuration. Now go to the Services tab, scroll down to find Windows Search. Simply uncheck it and save the change and click on Restart. This is an additional step. You can search for Event Viewer. Once it opens, expand these logs and click on this option. Now you will see many processes which are running. Simply click on Clear Logs and select Clear from here. Now close this window. Open File Explorer. Now close it. Now open Event Viewer again. Now expand this option and click on Application. Here you may see programs that may show you some error. Simply right click over it and go to its properties. From here use the details and search using these details in Google and you will find some programs which is causing the issue to happen. So simply uninstall that program and this might also help to fix the issue. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.